Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So a couple of days ago, I can't even remember what it was, maybe like Thursday last week, I was doing CES updates, and in the CES updates, I kind of mentioned a couple things that I was looking forward to. That would be the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 and the Autel EVO. So just thought I'd give you an update on the Autel EVO, which I dubbed the DJI Mavic Killer. After watching a couple more updates from CES, there was another video that pointed out that Autel is coming out with two versions of the EVO. One is a standard version, which is probably going to have a standard 4K camera, and the other is going to have a 1-inch sensor 4K camera. So if you don't know what a 1-inch sensor 4K camera means, it's like comparing the Mavic Pro to the Phantom 4 Pro. Two different cameras, one with a lot higher resolution and a lot crisper video, and still on the 1-inch sensor version of the Autel EVO in the size of a DJI Mavic, which allows a lot better portability. You can fold that thing up and take it with you. Now, I'm very, very interested in this new drone. It might be the first time that I jump ship from one drone to the next, because I'm hearing some things about the new release of DJI when it comes to the Mavic. And when it comes to Autel had a very good following when it came to the Phantom 4 style drone that they had. And I think that was called the X Pro, the Autel X Pro. Everything goes the way it's supposed to, based on the reports that I saw online from CES. The standard or smaller sensor size EVO is going to come in at sub 1,000, and the 1-inch sensor version of the Autel EVO is going to come in around 1,200 bucks. So you're looking at a drone at the cost of the Mavic Pro with rear obstacle avoidance sensors and some other technology. Not sure about the software, but another thing that actually caught my eye about the EVO was the controller. The controller seems to have a built-in high-res color screen on it. So it looks like you can actually have dual screens with this one. You got a screen that you can attach to your phone. You can attach your phone to it, or you can use the screen built into the controller, which is also Mavic Pro controller size. So this is going to be a very, very hot drone. Autel kind of lost everyone on the EVO. I mean, on the X Pro. They kind of fell off they kind of fell off for a while there, and I don't think people thought they were going to come back. But if they come back with this drone and release it, a reliable drone at these price points with these features, DJI is going to have a run for their money. So I'm going to keep you up to date on it. I'm hoping to be probably one of the first ones, if it's released, to get the 1-inch sensor version. I think I'm going to upgrade from the standard sensor version of the Mavic Pro to the 1-inch sensor version of the Autel, instead of going with the Autel EVO with the standard sensor. Even though it has rear obstacle avoidance, I think my Mavic Pro still has a little bit of life left in it. So I don't want to have two drones that fit the same category or the same feature range. So I think I want to update to the 1-inch sensor version to get some better video out of it, because I was thinking about upgrading to the Phantom 4 Pro at one time with a Phantom 4 Advanced, but I thought, nah, because the drone itself costs about, what, $1,400, and the batteries cost about $168 a piece. So kind of turned off for me, and I said, nah, I'm going to need 3 batteries plus the cost of the drone. You're looking at close to $2,000 with accessories, and I thought that that was a little bit much for me. So hey guys, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the vlog. I will definitely keep you up to date on the Autel EVO, and hopefully, I've been reaching out to Autel to see if I can actually get some insider information about it, or if I can maybe possibly be one of the guys to demo it. They said they don't let people demo unless they have generally 50,000 subs on their account, unless you guys want to get me to 50,000 subs, so I can be one of the testers on it. But I will definitely try to get as much information as I can about it and keep you up to date. So hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the vlog. I'll get back to you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.